Hi, it's Aquila Mariyah here, and today I'm going to be discussing the difference between being cocky and confident.
I like to sit back and watch a tree grow. I like the way they think it's all growth, not an ego. I wish that you could speak to these motherfuckers.
If you're new to my channel, my name is Aquila Mariyah, and I'm a mindset coach. I empower others to believe in themselves by rediscovering their worth. If you enjoy the video, make sure you go ahead and hit the thumbs up button for the algorithm so my video can reach more people. So if you're confident, then it's like people can have an opinion of you and you're just like, okay, that's cool, but I'm still loving who I am. Nothing you say can change how I feel about myself. And you walk around with your head held high and you just can't be stopped. Whereas if you are cocky, you're walking around like your shit doesn't stink, like you're just better than everybody. So there is a fine line between being cocky and confident, and sometimes people may think that you're being cocky and in reality you're not, but that has a lot to do with their insecurities. But if you know that you're a genuine person that cares about other people and your actions show that on a regular basis, it can possibly be that somebody else is being insecure and they're taking your confidence as something that's like more cocky, when in reality you're just like, I can't be stopped. Don't hate on me because I can't be stopped, kind of thing, you know? But if you are being cocky, you're walking around like looking down on people, making it seem as though they can't do anything right, like everybody else is just beneath you. And I know this probably isn't as specific or in-depth as you would like, but that's just how I feel about it. It's pretty simple. You're walking around with your head held high and feel like no matter what somebody says about you, you believe who you are, you trust who you are, and you're aware of who you are and you've accepted yourself, then you're confident. But if you are somebody who's looking down on others and think of others as beneath you, then you're cocky. And it's really that simple. Sometimes, like I said, it can get a little confusing, but if you reel it back in and be mindful of your choice of words, be mindful of your actions, then you can walk around easily being confident and unstoppable. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so that way you're notified every time that I upload a new video. I upload Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Time. If you are interested in one-on-one coaching or group coaching, check the link in the description below so that way you can book your free connection call with me and we can discuss what it is that you're going through and if my program can help you reach the goals that you want to achieve. Thank you so much for your support. I truly am grateful for you. I hope you have a positive, blissful day or night whenever you're watching this. Always remember to be love, be peace, be positive, spread love everywhere you go, and always, always be you. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Growth, not an ego. I wish that you could speak to these motherfuckers.